Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, and to get started, select your language and then click on Start. This will take you to the next page where you get to insert your SIM card. This step is completely optional. If you don't want to, you can simply skip this. And from there, you will have option to connect to your Wi-Fi if you want to. Again, if you don't have a Wi-Fi near you, that's completely fine. You can skip this. By skipping it, you will lose the ability to log in to your Google account throughout the setup, and you will also need to set date and time manually, comparing it to if you connect it to Wi-Fi, which would be set automatically. I'm going to select Next from here, and this will bring us to Google Services. So we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now, if you don't like any of these, which is okay, you can disable them, as you can see. If you're not sure what they do, you can tap on this arrow, expand the explanation, and then decide if you want it or not. Additionally, whatever you choose right here can be later on changed after the setup is complete, although it won't be neatly presented here like as it is here throughout the setup. You will need to dig around for it in the settings. From there, I'm going to go to the next page, which will allow us to set up a protection to our device. So it wants us to set up a fingerprint, which automatically will also force us to add a screen lock, that'd be PIN, pattern, or password. Or you can simply skip it and not add anything. Now, if you want to add, for instance, only a screen lock, you can tap on Next. Even though this is a fingerprint page, when you tap on Next, it does force you to set up a screen lock first and then fingerprint later. But I'm going to skip this. And from here, we have protect your phone. So again, this is just a screen lock here. Select no, skip anyway. And this concludes the setup of the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.